The med ball slam is a hip-based power movement that is done very rapidly. So you can see here it's a simple matter of picking up that medicine ball, getting it right up above your head, keeping it close to the body, and then from the hips pulling down really aggressively, letting that body go with it on the way down, like you're trying to throw it through the floor rather than just to the floor. One of the keys to the med ball slam is keeping it really close to your body on the way up and on the way down. So we're bringing it up into the chest, pushing it up, and then throwing it down. It is not a matter of pulling the ball up with your arms out in front of the body. We keep it tucked in nice and close. One of the big issues that you see with this one is when people will throw it up like this, they'll actually try and bring it out in front of their body, but we need it to be close. That's going to make sure our back is safe, going to make sure that our hips can actually pull down really aggressively and get that hinge movement that we're after with this one. These slams can be done either really rapidly, trying to bang out 5 or 10 in quick succession, or as clusters where you'll just focus on the individual rep, max power, and take a short rest in between reps. You also have kneeling med ball slams, which is a great option for those who struggle with bringing it in close to their chest. Really helps reinforce that movement. 4 to 12 kilos for the weight of the ball. We want to be approaching every single rep of med ball slams with maximum intent, so that ball is moving as fast as possible, always from the hip. Keep it light, keep it close, and keep it fast, and your med ball slams are going to be 100% right where you want them to be.